Well, good afternoon, folks. This is Granny with Granny and Grumpy's Homestead, and today we're going to make some fried rice. I made some fried rice, it's been about 4 or 5 days ago, and it was so good. I'd never made it before, so we're going to do this again. So what we do to start with, and by the way, my air conditioner's running. It's kind of noisy, so that's what you're hearing in the background. Okay, the first thing we want to do is we want to measure out rice. Now, my choice of rice is basmati brown rice. Basmati rice has the most wonderfulest smell when you're cooking it and when you're eating it. Well, it's a very good tasting rice, and I really like it a lot. So, Grumpy. So we want 2 cups. 2 cups worth of brown rice. Okay. It smells good even when it's not cooking. Alright. Then next, we want some salt. And we're not going to put too much salt in it because it's going to have something called Bragg's Aminos in it. And it's kind of like soy sauce. And it's a little bit on the salty side. So we'll just put enough in to help with cooking. Stir that around. Now it says to wash it, but I never wash my rice, never. So then next we want to put 4 cups of water in it. Stir it so we can get all of it to sink. Now, brown rice takes a little while to cook. Okay, most of it has sank. And it says on the bag that you want to bring it to a boil over high heat, uncovered, then you stir it. Then you reduce the heat to low and cover it and cook about 30 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll come back once we have cooked it. And we'll take it from there and show you what I'm going to do with it. Back in just a little bit. We're in the kitchen, and here we have a bag of frozen peas. We have carrots that I've cut up. And then we also have down in there onions. Cut up a big onion, and over there is our kettle of rice. So let's take our stuff over there right now. So here's the rice. You can see it's done. Okay, so we're getting our coconut oil in our big pan. We're getting it melted. We want to put in our onions and our carrots. Then we want to have the peas. Now, we want granulated garlic in here, or garlic powder, is what you might call it. Let's get started. We are also going to make, real quick, some scrambled eggs. Now these scrambled eggs need to be really small when we're making it. So we need to have the bowl, we need to crack our eggs into a bowl. And we're going to want at least 4 eggs, depending on how much egg you like. And I like lots and lots of egg. Can't stand eggshells. It's a real pet peeve of mine. Okay. So we've got 4 eggs. Let me wash my hands real quick. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to chop up our eggs. Spray down our pan for doing the eggs. And then we'll turn on our heat. Stir our veggies. Now, everything's melted into here now. And we want to put our lid on it because we need for our peas to come unfroze. We also need to make sure that our carrots are done. So here we go with our egg. It is smaller and smaller a clump. Do not want anything large. I want it all little. I want my egg well done. I do not want it to be runny in any manner, shape, or form. Okay, let's turn that on. Now that's done. Okay, let's see how this is doing. Everything is still a little bit hard. Onions are a little hard. Now we use coconut oil because coconut oil can take really high heat. And coconut oil is really, really good for you. So we are using that. And here's our Bragg's liquid aminos. We're going to put this in after we get everything mixed together. Boy, it smells good in here, I gotta tell you. This stuff in this pot, it smells incredible. Smelling really good. I love the smell of cooking onions. As soon as these get a little bit more softer, then we'll dump our rice in and our egg, and we'll continue on with the process of making the fried rice, and we'll put in our liquid aminos. It's not hard to do, it's just time consuming because you've got to cook this rice, and the rice, it takes a little bit of time. In fact, let me even taste the rice because, you know, I haven't tasted it yet. Let's see if it's even actually really done. It looks like it's done and all the water's gone out of it. Yes, it's cooked. Almost done. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and mix everything in. This mixed in first. Okay. Oh. Heavy, heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. All right. Grumpy and I eat this for breakfast, and it's really good. And I mean really good. All right, let's shake up our rags. Okay. Oh, y'all, this smells so good. Oh, this smells, oh. Now, Bob and I are the only ones who are going to eat this, so I'm going to double dip my spoon. I just tell you, it's delicious. Wow, that's something else. Turned off the heat. And I'll tell you what, it's good. It's real good. It is so good. All I want to do is sit here and just jump in. I wish I could jump in and swim around and eat. Anyhow, I hope you folks have enjoyed watching me make fried rice. Try it. It's really, really good. I'm not joking. Y'all have a blessed evening. And thank you so much for joining me as I'm making food in the kitchen. And just remember, we love you, but more important than anything in this world, Jesus loves you. So y'all have a blessed evening. And thank you again. If you liked what you saw, press the like button and join us. Subscribe. Have a blessed evening. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.